Hello everyone. So let's start AI Generalist का course. What is it all about? You are going to build systems without actually writing the code. You don't have to by heart the syntax. Only thing that you need to know is how to read and understand the code. You are not going to write even a single line of code and you can build anything that you want. If you have a startup idea, you alone with AI tools can build the MVP and show it to the investors, right? I'll explain you what live vibe coding is. So vibe coding, if you want the shorter version of the definition, vibe coding is nothing but coding with AI. We are going to use powerful AI agents to write, run and fix your code all through conversation. So what you are going to do, you are going to converse with the AI tool and it is going to generate everything. Now the longer version of the vibe coding is guide, plan, ship. Guide an AI agent to plan the architecture, implement the features, write the tests and deploy it end to end. AI coding is 90% about communication and context, not syntax. Days are gone where you need to by heart the syntax. Only thing that you should know is how to read and understand the code in case if there are minor modifications. There will be very minor modifications, 1 or 2 lines out of 1,000 lines you might have to modify. That's it. Okay. Two categories. For example, I'm taking the example of web building. So as a part of this course, we are going to do web building. Okay. Front end, back end, and database. We are going to build everything. Now, for any task, there are specific AI tools built for that task. For example, if you are planning to build a website, the popular AI tools are one is Lovable, Bolt.new, and Draftly. Now, what we will do is we will take a website and we will build it using Lovable and we'll build it using Bolt and we will build it using Draftly. See, they are very simple. You have to just drag and drop. I will show you all that. Okay. Now, coming to other editors, these are general purpose AI tools which are very popular. You can build anything up with them, not just the websites. So one is Cursor, Windsurf and Anti-Gravity. So all three of them have the same kind of working model. So we will take one of them and we will explain you how to build a website using these. Later we will do multiple things with these tools. Okay, for now we'll focus on web building. Now, why AI is so important? It is a lifetime opportunity. Guys, you are blessed. Your generation is gifted. Earlier, when I had to build my website, I had to write the code entirely. I had to write the CSS files, HTML files. So it was very, very tedious, right? Now your generation has AI tools. You can build your portfolio website just like that, just like that, just like that. Okay. So it will save your money. You don't have to spend a lot of money. If you are willing to spend 10K per month, in 1 month you can finish your entire website and it will save your time. Earlier, whatever used to take hours, it will take minutes and launch your idea. If you have an idea, you can build a MVP and you can launch it and solve problems. Not just websites, you can solve any problem that involves software. You just have to work on the idea and it will be done, right? So why should you pay lakhs of rupees for building software now when you can just pay and take credits from some AI tools for 10,000 per month and you can finish it off. Okay. Now, what is the difference between a agency and you plus AI? Let us say I want to build a website. If I go to a agency, they will charge me between 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs and they will say that they will take 6 months of time. And when you communicate with them, there will be a lot of communication, miscommunications happening. They will not understand your problem completely. And later, when you go for them to upgrade, they will again charge you money. But if you use AI, you can build anything for 1000 to 2000, any website for 1000 to 2000 per month, and you can deploy in hours or days. My entire website ravindrababuravula.in, I built it in 3 days. Look at how beautiful the website is. The website is so damn beautiful and it has a lot of features. There is chat, there is forum, and there are courses. Everything I built in 3 days. If I had to give it to an agency, they will say that they will require 1 year of time to build it. But I built it in 3 days. Now I am going to explain you or teach you how I built my website ravindrababuravula.in right from basics. What are the AI tools that I have used? Okay. Now, your workflow with AI, first thing is you describe, clearly explain what you want to build. Context is everything. The better you communicate, the better the output. You should be able to write appropriate prompts in order to get what you want. And plan. AI breaks down the project into tasks, picks the tech stack, and proposes the architecture. You don't even have to do the architecture. AI will do the architecture for you and then split everything into tasks, and and it is even going to pick the tech stack for each module. What is the tech stack you need to use? That also is provided by AI, right? And finally, implement. AI writes the code for each task. You review it, guide it, and correct it. That's it. Think of it as a pair programming at 10x speed. You know, pair programming, two people will be sitting together and then writing the code. One person will be writing the code and other person will be testing. Other person will be writing the code and other person will be testing. Now you can do it all that with AI at 10 times faster. Future. Future is AI generalist. No one is going to ask you for syntax. All that they need to know is, do you know any one of the programming languages? Will you be able to read and understand the code? Future is no code, low code. That's it. Okay. And test and deploy. AI also write test cases, catches the bugs, and can deploy end to end. And your ship is a real product. So whatever you are shipping is a real product, not just a prototype. Now, what are the real projects that we are going to learn in this case, in this course? See, I'm going to build hell a lot of things using AI. Okay. Now, first thing is I will start with web development. I'm going to design the entire ravindrababuravula.in from scratch, and then you can design your own website, portfolio website for yourself for a very, very cheap price. Only one thing that stops us is, for every AI tool you have to take the credits. Some AI tools gives you credits for 1000, some of them give for 10,000, but don't worry, we will use all the credits. Okay. in fact in fact, I will make you buy more credits to use it, or you can find them online, right? So cracked versions are available online. You can, I should not say that. Okay, fine. So I should not say that. Okay. Take the credits from wherever you get and use those credits. Okay. Fine. And also we are going to show you how we have built the forum. We have built a beautiful forum. I'm going to explain you how we are going to build the beautiful forum. Now just this website part is going to take us roughly around 100 hours. In 100 hours, I will teach you how to build any website, not just my website. Any website you can build, and it is going to take 100 hours, right? So every day I will be releasing one video about which AI tool I'm building. And if you have not registered for AI Generalist course, register for it. This is going to be helpful throughout your life. Trust me, you will thank me. Okay, for this course. There is no course like this in the world. Okay, I am the first one to have launched this course with these many modules to be covered. Okay, now you have to communicate clearly, and you have to iterate fast, and you have to focus on the problem, not on the syntax, and you can start small and scale big, right? So this is all about the introductory video. Let's begin. ఇక మొదలెడదామా?